Hey friends, if public Wi-Fi login page is not showing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to flush the DNS. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit enter. Once it mentions successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, your work is done. But if everything else fails, then finally you can use a static DNS, which is Google's DNS. Now I'll tell you how. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection and select properties, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then select this option, use the following DNS server addresses. The preferred one is 8.8.8.8 and the alternate one is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then click on OK once again and close this, and this will fix the problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.